1. Breast massage. Have you ever thought of giving your boobies a massage? If not, then perhaps now is the right time to do it, especially when you want to increase your cup size. All you need is to set aside 20 to 30 minutes of your time every day to stimulate breast growth, and you're good to go. At the same time, breast massage promotes prolactin production, a key hormone to making your breasts bigger. Here are the best ways to do breast massage. The Chi massage. This is the easiest and most effective breast enhancing massage to boost your cup size. To do this, rub your hands together to generate heat when it comes in contact with your breasts. You can also use a heat pack to warm the breast area. This ensures proper blood circulation and blood flow before you start the massage. Cup your hands over each of your breasts. Make sure to spread your fingers so that each breast is fully supported by your hands. Then move your breasts in a circular motion, in an inward direction. Do this for 10 minutes. Skin brushing or fat transfer massage. From the name itself, you can guess that the purpose of this type of breast massage is to reduce your belly fat and increase the fats in your twin mountains. To do this, rub your hands together to produce heat or use heat pack at least 3 to 5 minutes before you start. Then sweep the fat from your waist and upper arms and move it up to your breasts. To make things easier, you can also use coconut oil since it also helps moisturize your skin. Aside from helping you make your breasts bigger, giving your boobs a massage is an excellent way to check if lumps and bumps are forming in the breast area. Once you noticed some lumps forming, you can immediately have yourself checked to find out if these lumps are cancerous or not. Saves your life too, don't you think? 2. The bigger breast workout. Assuming you want challenge in making your breasts bigger, then here is the perfect method for you: the breast exercises. Unlike breast massage, you have to exert more effort on this and at the same time, help you become fit and lean, too. There are many workouts to help you get that enhanced breasts. You can try the dumbbell bench press. Lie down on a bench, with your arms straight and a dumbbell on each hand. Lower your dumbbells until they are close to the sides of your chest. Then lift your arms back up to its starting position. Incline dumbbell bench press. This is the same with the dumbbell bench press, however, make sure to incline the bench by 15 to 30 degrees. Dumbbell fly. On a flat bench, lie down, face up and your feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell on each hand, just above the shoulders and your elbows slightly bent. Keep in mind that if you want bigger breasts, you need to develop the muscles underneath it. Doing these exercises may not give you an instant boost and turn your A cup to a double D, however, breast exercises can help give you that extra lift to make your boobies look bigger, naturally. Here are a lot more breast exercises, it's a list, you can do today to have firmer chest. 3 herbs for breast enhancement. For centuries, herbs and other natural products are used to treat various conditions, including making your breasts bigger. Hence, it isn't surprising to see some of these herbs in most breast enhancement pills. If you plan to take these breast enhancing herbs individually, then make sure to choose any of the following. Fenugreek. In India, fenugreek is used to treat skin inflammation, wounds, and eczema. Aside from this herb acts like estrogen, which mimics the hormone's effects in your body, and at the same time, stimulates prolactin production to boost breast growth. You can take 500 mg of fenugreek capsules 3 times a day. Saw palmetto. This herb has many uses in kitchen. Did you know it can make your breasts bigger, too? Saw palmetto blocks certain enzymes in your body and as a result, your boobs get bigger. 160 mg of saw palmetto is ideal for everyday use. However, make sure not to combine it with other herbs for ensure fuller and firmer breasts. Fennel seeds. This herb contains flavonoids, which have estrogenic properties. Aside from increasing milk supply in breastfeeding moms, fennel seeds can also help grow breast tissues in women. For best results, take 480 mg of fennel seed capsules 3 times a day. Still, don't hesitate to consult a doctor, especially on the dosage amount you can take. Health is wealth, so make sure you're okay to take estrogen-like herbs, especially when it comes to your long-term health. For the Wonder Bra works wonders. Let's say you're not into exercise and herbs is something you don't believe it. Then there is a safer and faster solution for you to make your boobs bigger. Say hello to Wonder Bra or Miracle Bra. Check out Victoria's Secret and type in Miraculous Bra. Think about penis enlargement brief, but this time, whatever is bulging down there is in the bra. Or a bra on steroids. In other words, this Miracle Bra has Diaplex memory foam, marshmallow foam, and a fiber filling. Blended together, it can boost the size of your, well, assets. It also comes with convertible straps, so you can wear it anytime, anywhere, regardless of your top. But, if you can't spend $45 on a bra, you can always go for the trusty Wonder Bra to make those twin knees perking and more noticeable. At the same time, make sure to choose the right bra size. You don't want it too small or too big for you. It is surprising how many women don't know their true breast size. 5. Eat your way for bigger breasts. Is there anything more natural than eating food? If your skeptic side is telling you not to believe on herbs and breast massage, and exercise is taking too long to kick in, then you can try breast enhancing foods to increase your cup size. However, it's not just any food. It should be estrogen-rich foods to make sure your female hormones are at bay, and testosterone hormones won't take over your body. So, the next time you go to the supermarket for your weekly grocery shopping, try to include yogurt, tofu, flax seeds, soybeans, and sesame seeds in your grocery cart. Aside from this, whole grains, fruits and vegetables are also effective in making your breasts bigger, and at the same time, balancing your hormones. 6. Breast enhancement pills and creams. Let's say you've tried all of these methods and you still haven't seen any improvement in your breasts. What other options do you think you can resort to without involving the use of a scalpel? In this case, you can try breast enhancement pills and creams. These two are among the most popular ways to enhance your breasts, naturally. Most pills contain herbs and ingredients known to improve cup size and promote overall breast health. These herbs include fenugreek, ginkgo biloba, fennel seed, wild yam, and ginseng among others. To make the pills more effective, manufacturers recommend the use of breast enhancement creams for faster results. In other words, you need both the pills and the cream to make sure you get the results you want. However, you need to be careful in choosing breast enhancement products. Before you pay for anything, make sure to check the label. Only buy from trusted and legitimate manufacturers. If they have a money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer support, then that's much better. What's the point of all this? It only shows that making your breasts bigger is still possible, even without the use of the scalpel, risky implants, or any other surgical tools. And the best part about these methods? It is cheaper and definitely within your budget. So, would you want to go through breast enhancement surgery? Try these methods first before you decide.